At 44 minutes till 4, an angel walked up to my door, opened the windows to my soul, told me he think that I should know that life only gets harder, but you gotta get stronger. This is for my brother, I do this for my daughter. That's why I keep going, that's why I keep going, that's why I keep going.
Hey everybody, it's your girl StellaB. Yes, it's me, y'all, in the flesh. Yes, you seen it right. You're seeing me. I'm back. Yes, I'm going back. Y'all, it's your girl StellaB, and I'm back, okay? And I'm not leaving, y'all. I promise. This time I'm here to stay. Yes, I am finally back after 2 freaking years. I don't know. I was doing stuff. I was figuring me out. I was getting my stuff together. You feel me? So this segment is called You Go Black Girl. And it's going to be a girl chat. I mean, guys, I know y'all watching. Hey. Y'all can listen too, but I got on YouTube because I just wanted to, you know, create content to make people smile, be me, just show my personality. And, you know, I feel like on YouTube I could be myself, because when I'm filming it, no one but me is watching, and I'm having fun. Like, this is fun. But anyway, so why I left YouTube, I was just like in a stage in my life where I was lost, y'all. I didn't know who I was. I didn't know what I wanted. I was heartbroken. I didn't want to be seen. And when I didn't want to be seen, it wasn't that, oh, I felt bad, I felt ugly. No, it was just like, ugh, in the inside, my energy, my soul, it was crushed. And I just was like, I don't want to be seen in this state, because I want to give y'all, you know, my all, because y'all deserve it, right? Yeah. So anyway, so I left YouTube because I was just really feeling down. I was lost. I was kind of discouraged, because this is where I messed up, because I started looking at other people's YouTube and looking at how many followers they got, how many subscribers, how many likes, how many views. I was so lost in focusing on everybody else, what everybody else had going, and just was like, ugh, I'm just beginning. Duh, Bianca. Duh, Stella. You're just beginning. So when you just begin, it's gonna be hard. But in that moment, I felt defeated and I gave up. And so I was creating a couple videos here and there, but I will always just watch them and delete them. I never posted them. I don't even think I still have them on my laptop. I just wasn't feeling it. So I was like, so I'm not feeling being in front of the camera, so let me get behind the camera. let me see what I could do from behind the camera. And baby, when I tell you, I figured something out, a hidden talent that I knew nothing about. Nothing, y'all. Nothing. But let me tell you what I did to figure out that I have that talent. I picked up my camera. So I just was like, okay, let me start taking pictures at the beach. And I would go there by myself, y'all. Beach by myself on my off days, and just take pictures of the wave, take pictures of anything, a surfer, a bird, anything. And a friend of mine, an old friend of mine, he hit me like, oh, do you want to shoot it in LA for my friend? So I'm like, of course, like, sure. And y'all, at the time in my life is when I took off my photography career, and I'd done a lot of shoots, a lot of art shows. Well, not too many art shows. I did 2 art shows. I've sold some art. I painted some things. So I've just been dabbling into different arts, and I wanted to come back to YouTube just so I can share that experience with you guys, and I can grow with you guys. And I just wanted to have somewhere where I could vent and talk to. So I'm like, why not do it on YouTube? Like, because I know I'm not the only one going through the things. I'm not the only one who feel the way I feel, you know. I'm not the only one who gave up on something, and now I'm trying it again, and I don't plan on giving up. And what inspired me to, you know, come back, and what motivated me was just, it was just like, I'm letting so much time go by, and I know I want to do this. I know I want to be on YouTube, but I know I want to be, you know, I just want to be able to get my voice out there, get whatever I have to say, whatever I want to do. I want to create a platform for myself so that others can view it. And I just kept making excuses like, oh, everybody's doing this, everybody's doing that, everybody's on YouTube, everybody's doing makeup videos, everybody's doing hair reviews. But like, why does that matter? Why does what anyone else is doing matter to me? I have to ask myself that. Like, what does that have to do with you, Bianca? And it's like, that really discouraged me, which was something I shouldn't have let discourage me, but I did. And it caused me to give up because I was so focused on, you know, what other YouTubers were doing, what other people had going on, and how their channels were just so big and popular, and they had so many subscribers, so many views. But it's really not about how many subscribers I have or views. It's just like, I just want to create content to where others can view it and I could look back on it and I could grow from it, and maybe other people can too. And so here I am. With that being said, you know, even in photography though, I had a moment. I actually, now think about it, for a couple months I've been just like, ugh, down, because once again I found myself comparing my work to others, comparing my followers to others, my likes to others. But I know my art is good. I know I'm good. Like, I know I'm talented. Nobody could take that away from me. The only person that could take that away from me is myself, because I'll downplay myself, and I can't do that. Because when you start doubting yourself, when you start telling yourself you're not good enough, and that like, I can't do this because somebody else did it, because it really doesn't matter who else did something. It doesn't. It really doesn't, because so like, it does not matter. And I had to tell myself that, like, who cares if all these people are doing all the same things you want to do? You guys are all different. You guys have different eyes. You see things differently. You have a different mind. You want to create things differently. I had to have this conversation with myself. And so that led me to this, to where I wanted to come back on YouTube, because I had to tell myself, like, you're different than other YouTubers, other people in general. You're you. I'm Bianca. I'm StellaB. Nobody could take that from me, you know? And so with that being said, I just had to tell myself, like, okay, Bianca, you said you want to do all this. You said you have all these goals you've written out. You keep saying you want to get back on YouTube. You keep saying you want to put out more art, but you're not doing it. And what it was is I really talked myself out of everything I wanted to do. You do this to yourself, B. You can't give up though. Like, I really had to tell myself, especially because it's bigger than me, because the things I want to do, the things I see, the things I feel, like, it's bigger than just me. My art is bigger than me. So who am I to give up on everything I'm trying to do? Like, what are you doing? You cannot give up. It's hard. I know. You're gonna have a setback. Not everyone's gonna like you. Not everyone's gonna appreciate your work. Not everyone is gonna jump on your bandwagon. Not everyone is gonna root for you. That's just what it is. No one's gonna root for you but you. So you just have to be your number one cheerleader, your number one motivation, your number one supporter, to where as soon as you tell yourself, I can't, you got 5 seconds. Give yourself 5 seconds. Then turn it into I can. I cannot keep giving up. It is time. Don't say tomorrow. Don't say next month, a new year, new me. None of that. Now's the time. So y'all, you know when you give up and then you tell yourself, okay, I gave up. I gave up. So this is what I'm going to do to, you know, get my shit back right. I'm going to create a plan. Not only am I going to create that plan, but I'm going to write that plan down so I can see it. I see the plan. This is how it works for me. I see the plan. I give myself a time. Oh, you on this date, you need to do that. And if you don't do that, then you can't do this. If I don't do this video, I can't go nowhere. I got to stay in the house all weekend. I don't want to do that. But I just had to discipline myself in order to create this content so I can talk to y'all and share my world with y'all. But like, it feels so good when you say you're gonna do something and you do it, and even when it's hard you still do it. That's the part of not giving up. So how I was. When I first started, I wasn't getting that many likes. Shit, I'm still not getting that many likes. It's whatever. But I did feel discouraged. I just said, I don't know if I want to do this anymore. But then I started getting these opportunities, y'all. I started getting opportunities to shoot at concerts. And it was just like, wow, Bianca, you have these talents. People see your talents. So don't think that the amount of likes is what validates your talent. No, the amount of followers, no, that doesn't validate me. That doesn't validate my work. The opportunity that I get because people see what I'm doing, that validates my work. Me elevating and, oh, you did regular photography. Oh, now come shoot for a concert. That's validating my work. That's letting me know that people see me and that people appreciate my work and believe in my work. And when you accomplish these goals that you set out for yourself, and when you have the, like for me, when I had these opportunities to do these events, I would go by myself. I would go with a friend. I don't care. I'm just gonna do it. But like after walking out of the Currency concert, after shooting that, I just felt my camera gave me trouble. Y'all, I'm gonna upload the pictures just so I could prove and show y'all my camera did not like me that night. It was horrible. And I wanted, Currency is my favorite rapper, y'all. My favorite freaking rapper. And my camera was hating on me. But I stayed. I was like, no, Bianca, don't go home. Don't give up. I'm there by myself. So I don't really have that motivation. But I have to motivate myself. Like, no, Bianca, this is your dream right now. You want to shoot this man's concert. You was in his DMs asking, can I shoot for you? He ignored me. But somebody else seen me and I got there. And then I shot for him. So I didn't give up though. And hey, I made it. And after that, like after that whole experience, I had to walk out, take a long walk back to my car, and pat myself on the back and say, you go, black girl. You did that. You did not give up. Even though shit was rough, even though your camera was messing up, you did not give up. Even though you was uncomfortable for a minute because you was there by yourself, you did not give up. Even though you felt like these pictures are gonna be horrible because of my camera, you did not give up. You did it. You stayed there. You was tired. You worked. You woke up at 5 in the morning, went to work in a whole other city, drove all the way back home, changed out your camera, drove all the way back to that same city, and went by yourself, walked a half a mile to get to the venue, walked a half a mile to get back. Your camera's messing up. You was there alone, didn't know nobody. You had to watch yourself. You had to take pictures. But you did it, B. Stella B visuals. We handled that. I handled that. And I just felt so accomplished, y'all. I was just like, okay, pat myself on the back. Hey, go Stella B, you did it. Go back there, you did it. Go back there, you did it. Go. So like when you accomplish stuff and you don't give up, regardless of what you go through, regardless of somebody trying to set you back, don't give up, okay? Don't. What's the point? What's the point of giving up? What does that do for you? Nothing. Because then you're going to sit back a few years later, a few days later, a few moments later, thinking like, why did I give up? What did that do for me? Because clearly you wanted to do something. Clearly that was one of your goals, right? Right. But you decided that I'm gonna give up and tell myself that I can't do this so I can have a reason and feel like, oh, you justify why you gave up because you know you're not good enough. No, 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 no. Even if you're not good enough in the beginning, I felt like that with photography. I felt like I wasn't good enough. But as time goes by, I practice. I study shit. I watch YouTube videos. I read books. I figure shit out, okay? And that's the only way I'm gonna get better. And no, my shit not perfect now. But I'm not going to give up because it's a bigger picture. So I have to take these steps. I have to trip, fall, stumble, fall back a few steps, stop, rest for a moment, and do it all over. But I'm not going to give up. No, I'm not. Because it's bigger than me. I have so much potential, so much talent. And I'm not letting it go to waste. No, I'm not. Nobody is going to stop me. Nothing is going to get in my way. Not even me. Because so that when I reach all these goals, I can always pat myself on the back and say, you go black girl, you did that, Stella. You did that shit. So I just wanted to share with you guys and just say that times get hard. There are moments where you feel like you can't do it, where someone tells you you're not good enough, and where someone will try to discredit what you're doing or talk shit, but you really have to say like F them. Like for real, just F them. Like don't care. You can't care what nobody said. You can't care even that voice in the back of your head that's saying don't do it, you can't, you're not good enough, you're gonna fail. Ignore. Bye. Throw it out the window. Throw the whole thought away. And just remind yourself that you could do it and that it's gonna work out. As long as you don't give up and you try to perfect it, know that you're gonna fumble, but as long as you step back up, dust it off, get the ball rolling again, you good. And at the end of the day, you could tell yourself, you go girl, you did that shit. Go ahead, black girl. Go ahead, black queen. Do that, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for listening to me, hearing me out, you know, doing whatever. And I'm just excited to share my You Go Black Girl moments that I have with you. And it's not always going to be about not giving up. It's just going to be about things that I go through and moments where I pat myself on the back and tell myself, you go black girl, you did that. The world is yours. Take over. Do the damn thing, Stella. Do the damn thing. And follow me on all my platforms. I will link them below. And like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, tell your mama, tell your zaddy, anybody. Send them the link. Be like, look, you told me you was giving up. I thought you said you was gonna give up. Send them this. And I love you guys. So remember, be you, be brave, and be beautiful, and never give up. And when you do feel like you give up, tell yourself, you go black girl. You could do this. You got this. You was made to do this. Nobody's gonna stop you. Not even you. So do the damn thing. And when you do it, let me know, because I'm excited to hear about it. You know, I wanted to talk to you guys and just share my feelings with you guys, open up to you guys, and, you know, have a conversation. Y'all could leave comments, talk back. We can have discussions. Write me on Instagram. Tell me something you going through, and maybe I got some words I can help you, or maybe you got some words for me, because y'all, I be needing it. I have my days, I have my weeks, I have my months, shoot. But I just want to let you guys know that I am back. Okay, baby, I am back, and I'm not going nowhere.